Welcome back to Karmapala program. Viewers, I'm happy that many viewers are sending messages and mails seeking the roadmap of life. As I said, karmic effect is something which is a combination of good, bad and neutral events. In life, as I said, everything you take it in 5 fingers. Now 5 phases of life we take: your childhood, your adolescent, your adult, middle aged and then old aged. So this 5 path of life, 5 phases of life that you undergo. It's a balance sheet. There is a prarabdha karma which is you imbibe from your last karma, which is normally spoken. Whether you have belief on that or not, it is definitely clubbed with your last birth's good and bad deeds. When I said that you practice the Omkara mantra chanting, you also now I will tell to make this bad phase going away from your life. Please try to do some good things. Some good things in the sense not in terms of money. When you are in trouble, money, so you can't definitely donate. You can do some good things by going and helping some people on the road or going to temple and helping. You know what happened? Your mind tuning is getting towards the humbleness. So the humbleness is what has to be killed. Once that humbleness goes away, you have the capacity to face whatever the shock you get. As I said, 5 phases. Your balance sheet of the 5 phases in life is designed in such a way that nobody can escape from one or the other of karmic event. Say success, failure, win, lose, everything is going to be part of every human being. There is no second thought about it. If your childhood days you suffer a lot, then you can be rest assured you will have good days ahead, because after darkness you have to get sunlight. The darkness is something which is imminent and sunlight is imminent. There is no way that you can avoid it. The only thing is that, like in some countries, 6 months nights will be there, 6 months day will be there. So that prarabdha karma, if you are clubbed, the time is going to take more, but you have to get end of the tunnel, you have to get the light. That is how it is designed. So in 5 phases, how it is balanced. So when you are crossing through the 5 phases, you realize that you are in, when you start realizing that young age, childhood, you won't be knowing. So what happened these days, normally you get into some activities. You go and do some play, or you go and practice some music, or you play cricket, or whatever it is. Those events are actually, play is something which is giving some relief to the mental stress which is done, which has happened due to your schooling or school education, whatever it is. Now come to this phase of life. You may have an ambition to study well, but your parents won't be in a position to support your needs. This is a karma. So when you know that you are not going to get your desired result, so you do a little bit of detour of going to, instead of a doctor, you may become a commerce student, which is usually preferred to be given to every general citizen, students. Those phases will never go out of your life. That is, if you have suffered the bad time one stage, you have to suffer good time at a later stage. Better you suffer, undergo, if destined, bad times during your young age itself, so that your older age is not that much difficult for you. But one thing you must remember is, the life lesson is, don't think everything is permanent. That's what it is. One day you will be up, next day you will be down. Going up is always a risky journey. One need to balance it. If you lose your balance, you will fall flat, straight. So there is no second thought about it. So balancing at that level will come only with spiritual help. Like in case of, take Rajinikanth. Still, he is a preferred hero in the industry. So till he generates, he is the producer's, dear son. So people like him even today wait for his call sheets. But that is his profession. But when he comes outside, he's a simpleton. He doesn't know anything about all other subjects. He only focuses on spirituality. So it doesn't show up. So he knew his weakness. More than strength, he knew his weakness. So that is how that they come out. So one should know their feet is on the ground. That is what it is very important. So when the success comes, you go high, and when failure comes, you show a lot of emotions. These only will affect your health. So as I said, the balancing or the balance sheet of life, this is what about today's topic. The balance sheet of life is scripted in such a way, one stage you work hard, one stage you enjoy, one stage you always prefer the way you want, the way you want to be, you get. The other way you get always against your wishes. So everything has to, you have to undergo. That is the phase of life. There is no second thought about it. You must undergo, and that is what it is written. But believe it, in each of these phases, you have been given, or you have, if everywhere Veda has given the, your status. If today you are poor, what you should do? If today you are a king, what you should do? If tomorrow you are going to be on the road, what you should do? Everything is prescribed. Like Veda, there is a very famous poet in Tamil, Thiruvalluvar. He has quoted all the adversities and all the fortunes, how to deal with. Every phase of our life. Today, I face, somebody has insulted me, how to cope up with. That is also given. So, life is all about success and failures, but how you manage the life, apart from doing the Omkara practice, also enhances your level of tolerance, and that gives you the best possible way of living, at least with less pain. So with this, I conclude this session. Please subscribe to this channel. With your support, we are growing. I'm happy to be part of all of you. So please subscribe and please pass on your views so that we will correct ourselves and give the needful advice or the solution which is given in some or the other format. I am not a prophet to pass it on to you, but I get that the questions and answers, wherever it is, I will just give it to you. So it is all our sharing. So keep the humbleness and the 5 phases of life, what I said, try to take a grip of it, realize that you have to undergo these 5 phases. There is no other choice. So till then, So, we will see you in the next episode. Till then, thank you very much.